The Federal Reserve reported that Q1 household wealth is up to $84.9 trillion, and the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rises 4%. Ahead on the Weekend News Wrap. Increases in home prices in the stock market pushed household wealth to nearly $85 trillion for the first quarter of 2015, according to the Federal Reserve Statistical release today. The net worth of households and nonprofits increased by $1.63 trillion to $84.9 trillion during the first quarter of 2015. Meanwhile, the value of directly and indirectly held corporate equities increased by $487 billion, and home values rose $503 billion. The Fed reported that stocks and pension fund holdings values increased by $1.7 trillion in the first quarter among Americans and nonprofit groups, and household real estate assets increased by $472.5 billion. Americans appear to be keeping borrowing to a minimum and evading debt, as the reported note that the household borrowing was at its lowest rate since the end of 2013. Household debt increased at an annual rate of 2.2% in the first quarter of 2015, totaling $13.6 trillion. In response to the positive Bureau of Labor Statistics employment data released on Monday, the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rose above 4% this week for the first time since November 2014. Freddie Mac's primary mortgage market survey revealed that the average fixed mortgage rates averaged 4.02% for the week ending June 11, 2015. Last week's mortgage rates averaged 3.87%, while this week's averaged 4.04%. You can check out these stories and all the latest happenings in the industry right here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again on Monday here at the MReport.com, your source for the latest strategies in the evolving mortgage market.